Got to make a little weld here. Big vertical. It's a Lincoln LN25 wire feeder with 045 flux core wire. Time to...
All the welding on this job got stamped. You had if you welded on the job, as soon as you got certified, you got a little hammer they gave you with a number on it. And interesting thing was my number was 70, which was the same number I had when I played football at Buckhannon Upshur High School. I was nose guard. I was number 70. But that's what I'm doing here, is getting in position to stamp these welds I made on this job where I had welded this thing.
Long neck bottle, let go of my hand. That jukebox don't start playing that song again. 'Cause there's a girl at home who loves it. You know she won't understand. Long neck bottle, let go of my hand. If I remember, I'll walk upstairs someone else. Don't tell about it, how cool I am. You just keep it to yourself. 5 minutes till 5. Almost Miller time.